Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for electrical graduates, electronics graduate and civil graduate. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. It's running under the Government of India. I will be providing the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website of the company. This is the official website. So when you scroll down, you can see the rolling advertisement for engagement of apprentice. So Power Grid Corporation of India, Maharatna company running under Government of India is providing the following establishment. So whichever matching your profile, you can apply for it. So today we are going to see one type of job which PDF link I will provide in the description. Now they are calling for the engagement of apprentice under the Apprentice Act of 1961. Submission of online application is between 7/7/2022 to 31/7/2022. So apprentice for 1 year duration for the Eastern Region 1 for following grades: ITI for electrician, diploma in electrical, diploma in civil, diploma in graduate in electrical, 15 vacancies are there, and graduate in civil 6 vacancy, and electronics 2 vacancy. So here we can see the number of vacancies available. State is also Jharkhand. So number of vacancies and tentative number is given here, and training location will be here. So your training location will be any Bihar means any one of the location, or Jharkhand means any one of the location. Eligibility criteria is you need to fulfill the qualification and you will be getting a stipend. For diploma in electrical, you will be getting stipend of 12,000. Civil means 12,000. Graduate means you will be getting 15,000 per month, and electronics means 15,000. So if you want to apply means just click apply for the Northern Region 1. So next is Northern Region 1. Here you can see the details. So similarly, just read everything and see the vacancies and apply. You can apply. So how to apply online? Get your NATS or NAPS registration number. Candidates should first register themselves in the website of NAPS for HR executive or CSR executive, and you can use a link and upload all your documents. The step 2 is applying for apprenticeship in Power Grid. You can click here for details, and important dates are: opening date of application is 7/7 and closing date is 31/7/2022. Eligibility criteria is candidate who possess education qualification and passed the date of result within 2 years of the closing date of application can apply. You should be medically fit, and candidates are not eligible to apply in case if you are awaiting for your result or not completed 18 years of age. If you are already undergone this training, don't apply for it, and job experience more than 1 year means don't apply. So these are the instructions. So shortlisting of candidates will be based on the percentage of mark obtained in the prescribed qualification, and no TADA will be given. On successful completion of document verification, submission of medical certificate will in prescribed format, and execution of apprenticeship contract agreement and letter of engagement shall be issued to the candidates. So these are the things. If you apply online means they will be contacting or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further details. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to electrical, electronics and civil graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.